Hi guys, Lag Fixer here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to optimize your PC for gaming and using it smoothly with no stutters. So before we get started, make sure to watch the full video. And also like this video because that's what motivates me to make videos. And yeah, also subscribe. Now let's get started. First we have to go to the settings, then go to gaming and turn off these. This will turn off the unnecessary features for the Windows that will use your RAM and a small amount of your processor. Now go to the search bar and search for graphics settings. Click on Browse and go to your located game files. Choose the high-sized file and hit Add. Then go to it and click on Options and apply the high-performance settings and save it. Right-click this PC from your desktop and open the properties. Now on your right, click on Advanced System Settings and choose Settings. Use the same settings that I'm running with. This will decrease the usage of your CPU and the GPU and also the RAM. Now on this part we have to open the NVIDIA settings from the NVIDIA control panel. Now go to the first bar from the 3D settings and drag it to performance. This will decrease the sharpness and the smoothness of your game edges and corners but will increase your FPS. Now go to the second one and set the settings that I'm already using. Just follow the settings and things that I'm doing and hit apply to set them on. Delete your temporary files by clicking on Windows key and R button. Type temp and delete those files. Do the same thing again with this line. Now you have to disable the full screen optimization by going to the located game folder and click on Properties and disable it. I hope you enjoyed the video and my tricks work, for it's a pleasant for me to help you guys. Have a good day.